month that we've been apart, you look happier. Saw you walk inside a bar. She said something to make you laugh. I saw that both your smiles were twice as white as ours. Yeah, you look happier. You do. Ain't nobody hurt you like I hurt you, but ain't nobody love you like I do. Promise that I will not take it personal, baby, if you're moving on with someone new. 'Cause baby, you look happier, you do. My friends told me one day I'll feel it too, and I could try to smile to hide the truth, but I know I was happier with you. Sat in the corner of my room. Everything I see I've lost to you. Nursing my broken heart and asking myself, how could you? And ain't nobody hurt me like you hurt me, but ain't nobody really know the truth. And I knew there were others that deserved me, but my darling, I was still in love with you. But I guess you looked happier, you do. My friends told me one day I'll feel it too, and I could try to smile to hide the truth, but I know I was happier with you. Here, here, here. Here, here, here. And maybe you look happier, brand new. I knew one day I'd fall for someone too, and when she breaks your heart like lovers do, just know I won't be waiting here for you.
Oh, Keeliegh was lush. You've got such a stunning tone. Your voice is smooth. It is like butter. You've got like a butter voice. That was lush.
I changed the words when I came here, when I got here.
Oh my God. That is amazing. That was such a risk to take, and then you smashed it, Joey.
Sorry.
Well done, babe. Zoe.
You know I love the tone of your voice. It is absolutely beautiful. Like the lower tones are so rich and big. It's like eating chocolate listening to you sing. It's gorgeous. The verses as well, all of it. It was beautiful. Like I've seen you perform before, obviously. Well done, Zoe. But like you're normally like quite belty and you like up there and like your belt and stuff. So it was so nice to see this other side of your voice. And yeah, you changed the lyrics to make it your own. Like that was your story, and I could tell that was your story, and I love that. And considering you did that earlier, you're brave. That's all I gotta say. You absolutely smashed that. You keep getting better week in, week out. You're amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Emily.
Yeah, that was a really emotional performance again from last week. This one was really emotional too. The lower register in your voice is so raw and haunting, and it's quite rare in a woman too. I loved how you changed the words to your own. It was just an absolutely stunning performance, and it was my favourite of the night. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Joey.
Keeliegh, do you know what? It's not often we see this. Like, we want everyone to be growing and everything, in this process. And honestly, I was watching you then, and I was listening to every detail of your voice, the lower parts, everything about it, the change in the lyrics and that, everything. I was listening to the lot, and all I could see in front of me was this flower in a time lapse blossoming. And I was like, wow, she is turning into the star that she's meant to be. And that's exactly, honestly, after that first audition, you came up and belted Rise Like Phoenix, but you just belted it out, you know? And then after that, something have happened, and a twist have happened in it from last week to this week. And this is Keeliegh. This is 100% you. Keep doing what you're doing. I really feel like we're watching somebody, honestly, and I'm not gonna lie, in parts of that, the way I watched you, it was like, not vocally, but personally, it was like watching Kelly when she took her first steps into season 4 when she auditioned, and that vibe of somebody blossoming and becoming their true self in front of me, and I just felt that again. And I haven't felt that since Kelly, that sort of emotional vibe where somebody is truly finding themselves and you're doing it so relaxed, you're not complaining, you're not worrying, you're not stressing, you're going up there and you're in the zone, you're putting more pressure on you by writing words last minute and that, and you're still going up there like a true star and doing what you gotta do. And honestly, I've loved everything so far tonight, but that is my stand-up performance, and I gotta admit it was so raw, it was real, it was sellable. It's exactly what people want to see today in the market. So keep doing what you're doing, because that's what's going to stand out to all these different industry experts and that. This is what's going to stand out, and I can promise you that, because something will come of it. So please just keep doing what you're doing. Absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to watch that back, honestly.
Thank you.
Kelly's going to be very impressed by that.
Thank
Very
you.
impressed. Well done, girl.
Thanks, Jonas.